Hi, my name is Ainur Rohman, and I want to express my arguments about human cloning should be legalized. In general, it means people around the world want the creation of copies or cloning to human that is done through genetic manipulation can get permission or get legality. And why would people want this to happen? Because human cloning can be a great invention in the medical world, which has very tempting benefits but also with a myriad of disadvantages. Human cloning is a very good medical finding. Therefore, human cloning needs to be legalized. If human cloning is legalized, then scientists can continue to develop it to be an alternative in the medical field. Human cloning can be a hope for people who suffer from very severe disease. With human cloning, the percentage of recovery from chronic disease can be increased significantly. So far, there seems to be no direct cloning practice on humans, but in Seoul, South Korea, cloning experiments have been carried out on animals, more specifically two beagle puppies. These two dogs were cloned by a biopharmaceutical company that specializes in stem cell-based therapeutics. Human cloning is one of the great discoveries in the medical world. If human cloning continues to be developed that can be used for medical purposes, therefore, it is necessary to legalize human cloning to that scientists can develop these findings without being banned by law. And also, as I mentioned earlier, human cloning can be a hope for people with chronic disease because, in general, the purpose of developing human cloning is to provide transplants. Organs damaged by severe disease can be directly replaced by new organs obtained from the cloning process. Not only damaged organs, but healing physical defects is possible with human cloning. Although there have been circulating hypotheses regarding human cloning, but there is no clinical evidence for the practice of human cloning due to the high risk and religious and ethical issues. Even so, the hope that human cloning brings for sufferers of chronic disease who are waiting for organ donors can be realized if the practice of human cloning is legalized.